What a beautiful day! Where are my bananas? Left, right, oh no!
Excuse me, that's my house. Oh, I'm sorry, little one. Please be careful.
Okay,
I'm sorry. I'm lost.
don't worry, I can help.
Small doesn't mean weak. You're right, you're very strong. Told you.
Turn left! Now straight! Stop!
I'm home! Careful! Even the smallest friend can be the biggest helper. Friends help each other.